Python is a powerful programming language widely used for various applications, from web development to data analysis. But what makes Python so popular? Let's dive in and find out. Python 3, the language powering innovation worldwide, is the latest version of Python, packed with features that make coding easier and more efficient. Today, let's explore the world of Python 3, where we'll learn about conditional statements, loops, and data structures. 1. Conditional statements. In Python, if, elif, and else allow us to make decisions based on certain conditions. For example, if something is true, then do this. Otherwise, do that. 2. Loops. With for and while loops, we can execute a block of code repeatedly, automating repetitive tasks. 3. Data structures like strings and lists. Strings are sequences of characters, while lists are sequences of elements. Both fundamental data structures allow you to store and manipulate data in your programs. Subscribe to us now to stay updated on more Python mastery topics.